Hey everybody, this is Ms Strauss. I was recently walking in my backyard and I noticed that the grapevines are taking over. So I decided to take my revenge. And today I'm turning grapevines, well, grape leaves, into art. Now that I'm back in my studio, I get my trusty pad of paper and a piece of cardboard. I'm going to measure the cardboard so it's about the size of my paper, and just crease it to score it and then bend it along those lines. I'm going to use this fold to help stabilize it and glue a leaf straight to the cardboard itself. Now I'm going to take some permanent markers and just color. The big part here is to make sure that you've covered the side that has the veins, not the smooth side that faces the sun, and subscribe if you can, but also covering the whole leaf with as much ink from those markers as you can. Now that I've got most of it colored, you can go back in and look a little closer. I feel like it's ready for a little bit of alcohol, just a little spritz. You can see it's shiny here, and I'm going to put it under my paper and roll it once with a brayer. Now if you move it around, it'll get smeary, and I'm working kind of fast and pressing hard. One print per page, and as long as it has some moisture, that ink is going to transfer. After a couple rounds, you can see the color is starting to fade and I don't get much of a print. I can still use the same leaf once I'm done, but I'm never going to be able to go to those same places on the other leaves. So these ones are done, and I'm not going to add anything to it for now. I'm going to take that same leaf and back to my paper and color it. This time I've got more of a pattern in mind. I want to try some rainbow fades. So I'm going to go from my blue to green to yellow, orange, and red, and then back to blue again. Because I've taken a little more time with the coloring on this one, I definitely know that the ink is dry, and I'm going to give it a quick spritz of rubbing alcohol before I continue. But the same process, I'm going to put it under my paper. See, it's nice and shiny. I'm going to only press one time with firm pressure and one print per page. I can't line this up without a full printing press, like a screen printing thing where you're doing different colors. This is just one print, one roll, one ink. And there it is. I can use the same leaf a couple of times as long as there's enough ink on there to make a mark and enough moisture on there to make the leaf color transfer. That's the last little bit there, and you can see different amounts of ink and moisture make a difference. Thanks for joining me today, and if you like this video, make sure to comment down below. What do you think we can use these prints for? I was thinking some postcards or holiday greeting cards. Thanks for watching. Bye.